These are the only places you can visit in Ludlow. Balloon number 1. So sensors in the hole. Now we're just aligning it to north. Try not to cut yourself. Connect the GPS to the Minimus. Now we're going to connect the sensor, which is... What is the sensor? Aha. Connect the sensor to the analog channel. And now we connect the solar panels to the charge controller, which is somewhere battery to the charge controller, then connect the Minimus to the power cable. It's the hardest one to click. Okay, connect the Minimus to the power source. Then we clean up our mess. MOJD.
Desert Red.
And another one. So we successfully unlodged this giant rock from underneath our car.
We're more than likely blacklisted for maybe this rental car.
Yeah, hopefully we can go on now. Through there. Another balloon. A pretty summit view. Except there's more to go. But nonetheless, we're taking a breather. Also, look at all that volcanic rhyolite. All the different colors. MOJM. Mount Mars. So these are the C, N, and E channels. And there, if I stop, you can see it responds to that. And another lost soul. This one is Minnie Mouse. MOJC. That's no balloon. Do it with keeping the pack on. A little bit lower. Free. It smells so good.
It does smell good. This is like aromatherapy.
This is the best $11.
On my tires and said there was rubber burn.
Sounds about right.
This is like,
It's so pretty. Trey said we were in the Mojave Desert. we just rented this car to stroll around LA.
Well, it's actually kind of horrifying.
It's eating us. They've got it down for cars. Like, why don't they have human versions of car wash?
Right?
Like, you go in,
Yeah, that's
like,
true.
scrubs you down, then dries you off.
60-second shower rather than like 30 minutes.
Yeah, this is what the desert needs.